Hello everyone, my name is Manoj and I'm going to talk about the driving factor behind the Internet of Things and 5G security as a business priority. Internet of Things is one of the common and reliable technologies we have now. The success of IoT depends on the connection between devices and the services they provide. Most of these applications or products are controlled or communicated via a smartphone. And most of these devices store their data and stay connected to the cloud center with a network connection. Later, when 5G was introduced, it solved all the problems by introducing low latency, increasing reliability, and improving scalability, which enabled more devices to connect at a time. 5G is the latest and fifth generation mobile network after 4G. It is a new and improvised technology designed to connect every person and every device over a network. 5G technology has a greater network speed with ultra low latency and has a great reliability and network capacity. 5G is being used in almost every industry, but broadly speaking, it is more important in mobile networks, AI communications, and IoT to progress the technology. And now coming to IoT, the usage of 5G has increased the number of devices connecting to the internet via IoT. For the year it was introduced, it took a massive leap from the concept of implementing internet connected appliances to almost every device by connecting them to the cloud. Now, IoT is dealing in many fields, introducing various applications connecting each other in the real network world. And now let's discuss about the impact of 5G on Internet of Things. There are a lot of factors that are contributing to the rise in the market, and 5G is also one of them. This is because of the speed and reliability the 5G network can provide, along with the improved performance and connectivity. And the first one is speed of data transfer. The important thing for any service is based on its success, and even IoT is tied up to it. The success of IoT depends on the communication with its devices like mobiles, computers, applications, and websites. This will help in faster data sharing rates, which are prime for IoT. And the second one is reliability in network. Even though there is an increase in speed by using 5G networks, we will also have more reliability. Because of the whole process of IoT is based on continuous data transfers, especially for devices like security systems, cameras, and alarms, which depends on real-time updates, it is more important for them. And the ability of the 5G network to handle more devices and services at a time will help customers with great reliability and satisfaction. Now let's discuss the major problems both IoT and 5G has. And the first one is encryption. Encryption has been one of the major problems almost in every domain. However, all the traditional encryption methods cannot handle the scenarios in IoT systems. Researchers combined two systems called hierarchical identify based encryption and ciphertext attribute based encryption. This will help users to share sensitive information. They even developed encryption mechanisms for healthcare industries based on attribute based encryption. But they had their own setbacks with this evolving technology. Incorporating these algorithms with other methods like fully homomorphic encryption and ciphertext policy attribute will hold a better place for encryption in the future. There is still scope and opportunity to develop an access model and also optimize the limited resources depending on the IoT device. And the last one is privacy. With the deployment of 5G and an increase in IoT devices, we will have more privacy issues. So we will discuss a few privacy threats in 5G enabled IoT. And the first one is broad sensitive information. With the speed of 5G, it is even easier to let more objects to be IoT devices. An increase in more number of devices will indefinitely increase the data collection and more sensitive data will be collected. And the second one is location privacy. Most IoT devices will have the GPS. However, at the same time, it collects data from users by monitoring all their activities, interests, and habits. But one of the most popular strategies is to employ privacy metrics such as k-anonymity and differential privacy. There is still an opportunity and scope for both location privacy and sensitive information. And coming to the conclusion, the development and combination of both 5G and IoT in distributed computing is an essential technology that solves all the efficiency problems for billions of IoT devices in the real world. These new techniques and services will provide an efficient and high quality user experience. Besides all the advantages it has, they also pose a lot of security threats and multiple privacy issues. Thank you.